If you want to transfer files from your phone to SD card on Samsung Galaxy A05, first let's open our Files app. Usually you'll be able to find it in the Samsung folder. And now when we're inside, we'll be able to find our SD card and internal storage. So select the internal storage and then go for the files that you want to send to your SD card. And in this case, we're going to go with camera and just send those 3 pictures. So now click on Move right here. Don't copy, click on Move, since when we copy it, they will stay on our internal storage, but also will be moved to the SD card. But if we go for Move, they will be erased from our internal storage and moved to our SD card. And then we can choose the folder for SD card and place it right here. Select Move here, and now those files will be transferred to your SD card. We can also just check them out by going here. Then there was the CIM, camera, and there's those photos.